Okay, getting on I-16, headed north. Got somebody right on our bumper.
Continue on I-16 west for 13 miles.
Yeah, we'd have been better off to go to McRae, Helena McRae, and gone 441. Low 70s, quarter till 8. I-16 west. Got up to 80 miles an hour. We got to back off of that. We still have people pushing us. us a bite. It's late, a little bit late to be getting a bite, but we'll get us a bite and crawl in the back. Go ahead and start getting these videos uploaded. Get these 3-night videos uploaded. The feral super cat colony is uploaded. We need to get it published. The other 2 we'll wait to publish. The other 3 we'll wait to publish them. But we do want to get them uploaded, depending on how fast the connection is. If it's a slow connection, we won't mess with it. This thing is. I think it's a truck stop, but I can't remember what kind. Oh, we got it about 80 miles an hour again. We got to slow down. Crossing over the Oconee River.
In 2 miles, take exit 54 for Georgia 19 toward Dublin.
Loves is 7 miles away. We may go into the Loves, exit 49. Maybe it is a Loves. I don't know. Blue light special, looks like they got paving going on. Construction everywhere, folks. Go ahead and go to the Loves. Relatively long night drives.
In half a mile, take exit 54 for Georgia 19 toward Dublin.
No, we're not going to do that. 241 was where we were going to get off. We may visit Little Bogey State Park before we head out in the morning. We'll see. The lake drain last time we were there. And that place we were going to stay is right down there on the left. What I don't know what it is. We can see it. See the love sign up there. I see it, but I couldn't tell what it was. Was it a TA? I don't know what it was. But we see the love sign. We'll get a coffee. We hadn't had any coffee today. We skipped it this morning. We filled up with gas, so we may have a free coffee. I like Macon. We could go into Macon in the morning and get video, then cut up what is it, 42, 41? We'll figure it out. We just need to get back tomorrow afternoon and get settled in. Gonna go to preaching Sunday morning at Johnson United Methodist Church here in Watkinsville. Y'all come along, go. It'll be fellowship day after preaching. They have dinner, food. You want to bring something, bring something. If not, there should be plenty. Good food, not junk. We've stayed at this love. I'm not sure, but I think we have. I had to put the bug spray on this morning. Those little blooming little sand gnats or whatever they were just all over me, biting it. You know what? Their bite, their mouth must be just about 100% mouth, because you can't see them. There's a truck stop. What is that? Marathon? We'll have to check that out in the morning. It doesn't look. No, it's not a truck stop. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's just a gas station. You know, this is a new Love's. We haven't stayed here, but we have. I think we have been here. Yeah, we've been here. We haven't stayed here though. We may prefer that other one. It seems like this one was rather small or something. I wasn't crazy about the layout. RV places. We don't have much place. They don't have many places for normal people like us. We'll back right over here. We'll get this first one right here. That way we should still be able to see what's going on. People going in and out. People having trouble with that Sprinter brand or Sprinter style van. I don't like those things. I don't like the way they look. From what I've heard, I don't like the way they're not much. You have a whole lot of trouble with them too. Like I haven't had trouble with my Chevrolet vans, yeah. Oh, Chesters, I don't like Chesters. I had a Subway the other day, it was good, but I don't want another Subway. Okay, let's turn this off. Boy, we're gonna have 3 20-minute videos.